Detailing 101. Hi, I'm Ivan. This is DIY Detail. Today we're going to be focusing on bird droppings. Bird droppings, you want to get them off your paint as soon as you can. And I have the luxury of having two different types of bird droppings here. We have the standard white bird dropping that we see all the time, and I have a bird that had a great feast with berries. And those are even more important to get off your paint faster. The reason being, the berries will actually stain your paint to that color. Now, strategies to get bird droppings off. One is to spray with a bit of Rinseless Wash and just let it set. Don't worry about it. The other one is actually to take a wet towel with Rinseless Wash and just deposit it on top. Either way, we're letting the Rinseless Wash emulsify that bird dropping, break it down. Now, the reason we want the purple bird dropping off as soon as possible is it can actually stain your paint. And if it does stain your paint, don't worry about it. Leave it be. So take the bird dropping off, but the stain, don't try to polish, don't try to get it off. Let it be in the sun, and the sun will actually take care of that. So here we see that the Rinseless Wash is breaking down the bird dropping, doing a great job, and you don't want to start scrubbing on it. You want to dab a bird dropping off because they're very abrasive. So I'm just going to put the towel on. You see I've taken a lot of it away already. As I dab it, it keeps going away. Now if you want, you can use the sprayer and adjust the tip to get more pressure, and then flush it off. Now, you can gently wipe everything away. And the bird dropping is gone. So you can see this bird dropping was just on for maybe a week or so, and it's etched the paint. That etching, some of it will go away in the sun, the rest we're gonna need to polish. Now, here, the one that we let sit, it's absorbed the moisture. We're gonna take our sprayer, a couple sprays, it's almost gone. Going to dab it off. And it's gone as well. Thankfully with that one, no etching, no staining, but if you do have staining, again, don't be in a rush to get the staining off, let the sun do its job. If you have any questions, comments, thoughts, or ideas, please leave them below and join us in the next Detailing 101.